Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block people from current workspace from accessing your LinkedIn activity. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application, then go to your profile icon from the top left corner. From there, go to Settings. Then click to Visibility. There, scroll down a little bit. Then in the visibility of LinkedIn activity, go to Manage Activity Status. Once you have entered Manage Activity Status, this type of interface will appear in the screen. From there, you can allow all the LinkedIn members to know your current activities, or you can allow only your connection to know your current activities, or you can block all the people from accessing your LinkedIn activity. This is how you can block people from current workspace from accessing your LinkedIn activities. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.